We've got this fence here that's leaning away from the house here, and actually it's pushing the fence along the property. It's pushing it inward, and I think what's happening here is the foundation right here is just wood into the ground, and it's pretty wobbly. So we just need to kind of pull it back, kind of get it straight again, put a new foundation, like concrete with a steel brace, and then probably the same thing on the other side, pick it up. And there is this crushed granite on the surface here, needs to be removed and then replaced. And then there's a drain line that goes in the vicinity there, so this side gotta be careful not to puncture the drain. It's about a 5-foot section here, but the trick is going to be kind of reintegrating it with the fence. That's excuse me. Well, you get the idea.